Hi, everybody.
Hello.
All right, guys. Well, you know what? We just got ourselves a shield?
Shield, plexiglass.
Plexiglass.
Sneeze guard.
Sneeze guard. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. We picked this up in preparation for opening, so we're very excited about that. Well, we're hoping to be open by next Friday. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But we are getting everything prepared. And so we ended up getting this from safeguardshields.ca. And we ended up with the retro...
It's called retro.
Retro with cutout, which was, I think, about $250 Canadian. And so, yeah, we want to do...
It's kind of a custom made too, because I needed the opening a little bit bigger.
Yeah, a little bit bigger, yeah.
So we'll give the dimensions in the description box, exactly.
Yeah, as well as a link to the website where you can purchase one of these if you are interested in purchasing and having one for your salon or your workspace, wherever that may be. And so we're doing our little unveiling here. Now, this all comes built from the...
assembled.
It comes fully assembled, so it's not like I actually had to put any of this together. As you can see, this is all bolted up and ready to go. So
can I take it off?
Yeah. Let's take it off. Let's see how everything looks.
Without breaking it?
Yeah, without breaking it, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome. Yep. Now, we don't have this, what you call, like, completely secured to the table. We wanted to have the ability to move it around if necessary. Which I can do. We'll hold that. All right.
Kind of glue together. I'm gonna get scissors. 1 second.
That's just a little bit of tape, but that's all right. Not a big deal. Just to hold the protection, blue protection stuff on there.
Okay, and the other side.
All right. Let's see if I can make my way over there.
Okay, so maybe we can mention how to clean it. You have to be gentle with it.
All right.
Soap and water is the best.
Yeah. So for cleaning, you want to use soap and water. That seems to be the best way to clean it. Using anything that is, what's the word I'm looking for?
With the wet, like a cloth thing, not a dry one. So
okay.
Water, not a dry cloth, because it might scratch the surface.
Yeah, so wet, not dry, as you just happen to overhear.
And because people are not touching it, I don't think we have to clean it with anything disinfecting, really. Right?
Sure.
Oh. It's a bit longer than I thought. Okay. And then in the next video, or in a second, we're gonna do a manicure and kind of see how this works with the lamp and everything else.
Right.
In action.
In action.
Action video.
Yes. Action. Let's see if I can get in on some of this pulling goodness.
All right.
One-handed for the win. Not really. All right. Let's just get a little bit of that done. Here, you want to grab that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. So it's got a little bit of fluff there. That's okay, though. That's okay. That is all right. So that's what it looks like. Wow. Very nice. That is a very big sneeze guard.
Mm-hmm.
It looks good, though. I like it. I really like it. So if you're looking at doing something a little more permanent where you want it like really fixated to the table where you're not, worried about it moving around, two-sided tape works really, really well. You just put that on the bottom of this. Obviously, make sure everything's all lined up and straight. Put it on the bottom, set it down, and you are good to go. So now for us, we're not worried about that at this time, about having it super secure, just so that we can kind of move things around as we figure out what's going to be the best way of doing nails and, you know, that'd be being farther back or farther forward or whatever. And yeah, and we will have all the links down in the doobly-doo down below. And
yeah, actually it's
yeah, it looks like it's, yeah.
It could be probably moved a little bit closer in the lamp.
Mm-hmm.
No, the lamp has to be here then.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, because I have to turn the buttons on, right?
The
So,
buttons.
yeah.
The buttons.
For the lamps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the lamps have automatic on, so then you could put the lamps in front.
Perfect. Mm-hmm.
But with the CMD lamps, you have to turn it on. They don't have automatic.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. This is the unveiling of our new sneeze shield of doom, and so yeah, sneeze shield. So, but yeah, huge thanks over to the people at safeguardshields.ca for this custom build for us. Thank you very much, guys, and we will see you in the next video. So take care and bye for now.